on 13 April 1919 on the occasion of the Vaisakhi festival. General Dyer ruthlessly opened unrestrained fire on the unarmed people who had gathered for the meeting. About 400 men and women were killed in the massacre and hundreds were wounded and many more jumped in the wells of the Bagh. Michael O'Dyer, the administrator of the Punjab province, was responsible for this massacre. This massacre gave rise to a countrywide non-cooperation movement. Bhagat Singh was 2.5 years old at the time of the massacre. His aunt and uncle were the victims of the massacre. Later, he grew up to be a revolutionary leader. Thank you.
It's also nice. Shall I give you when we add all these values, we are sure to get the value a plus b along with the Good morning, sir. This is the model of Kargil War, which took place in the year 1999 in the district of Kargil. On 24th July 1999, we gained the victory over Pakistani force on the Tiger Hill, also known as Kargil. On 24th July 2019, we have completed the 20 years of Kargil Vijay Divas. So, on the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, we have made the model and the charts based on Kargil War. In the diagram, mathematical form, we are in the diagram. So, the idea states that a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b. So, here we consider, if we consider the value of a as 5 and b as 3, then the squared cube depicts the value of a when a is 5, it depicts the value of a cube, it depicts the value of b cube when b is 3. A squared b, when it's 3a squared b, the formula is 1, 2 and the third one. When it's ab squared, it's also thrice, so 1, 2 and the third one. Because we get all these values, we are sure to make the value a plus b the whole cube. This way, Hart's identity is proved in the diagram from the lab of mathematics. And this is the diameter of the circle. This angle inscribed in a semicircle. If we measure this angle, this is exact 90 degree. So angle inscribed in a semicircle is always a right angle. This is the central angle, and this is the angle and this is the inscribed angle. If we measure this angle, this is 90 degree and this is exact 45 degree. So the measure of inscribed angle is half of measure of central angle. This is a solar ujla lamp. We have made this lamp on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. We have all made this lamp with our own hand on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. We have taken a one step forward towards green energy. We have all buy these instruments on our IIT Bhavan. This works like this. With the help of solar panel, we charge this lamp. As we can see, this Egyptian tiles found in the ancient capital city of Egypt. This is Greek dolphin fresco. It is a visual source for modern historians. This is Roman mosaic painting found in the capital city of Rome. This is burial pots found in the excavation of America. This is from Japan. Its name is paper screen. The blue flowers represents axolotl. Thank you. Good morning, sir. This is the Maharashtra World Heritage Site. This is Western Ghats. This is Elephanta Caves, Ajanta Caves, CST, and these are the Sahyadri Mountains. Thank you. As the speed increases, it stores upon sediment. Then the river ocean forms deltas. We know that 70% of Earth's surface is covered with seawater. Because of it, it appears blue in the darkness of the sky. At every 24 hours, there is a high tide and low tide because of the gravitational force of Moon. The ball represents the Earth and this ball is the when we press the ball, the water level rises and when we release the ball, the water level falls down. Same with the case of the Earth. Because of the gravitational force of Moon, the water level rises and falls down. And this was all about high tide and low tide. Thank you. Here is a miniature model of each tunnel made to provide for made in order to provide the way for the trains. Initially, when the mountains are broken, so trains do not have way to move from one place to another. So, with the help of tunnel, train can move from one place to the another. We are giving you live demonstration of this. We have made this with the help of wasted newspaper and canvas. Thank you. Good morning, sir. This is our presentation of hydroelectricity about how hydroelectricity is generated. This process is used from ancient times to many European countries and many other countries. So in this project, water is ignited in a turbine. So as we put water or turbine, names and numbers. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Our project is related to heritage walk at 0 Mile. I started this program as we are the people of Nagpur who don't know much about the historical and monumental places. So, metro drops us at point 1 and then reaches at point 10. So, the places include 0 Milestone Monument, Samarak March, and other places too. It is very much beneficial for our health as we walk, and we get knowledge about these, and we increase our interest in history. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Dear Jerry, our topic is number in nature. Mathematics is a subject which is involved in every aspect of life. A person needs math in every walk of his life. Even nature has mathematics in it. Fibonacci is a mathematician who is from Italy. He studies various methods related to nature. He did this sequence. The logic behind is that this number is formed by adding second number to the first. Like 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and this sequence will go on. There are some examples are there, like a pear has 5 sections, a lemon has 8, and some lemon has 10 also, a tomato has 2 columns, and some lemon and some tomato has 3 also, a hibiscus flower has 5 petals. So these are the examples of Fibonacci sequence. Thank you. I'm the model of Jandhya, principal of Tata. These are the Once they all were joined together in a huge continent called as Pangaea. The tectonic plates beneath the Pangaea slowly began to move apart from each other, carrying the fragments of the continents. Then the continents slowly drift into the position they are in now. So this model demonstrates how the continents may have been once and how they moved away from each other. Thank you.
Here we are representing water cycle. Water cycle is a continuous process through which water is propagated throughout the atmosphere and through various processes. Water cycle is very important in the biodiversity of the earth. There are 4 stages of water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection of water. Precipitation is in the form of rainfall and snowfall. Thank you, sir.
This model is of pollution. In this model, industries, buildings and houses, their waste, garbage and all are collected in one area. That area is pollution. Good morning, sir. This is our game. In this game, first of all, we have to spin this spinner 2 times. If each option contains 5 questions, so we have to spin it 2 times. And if we score more than 7 questions, we will win this game, and we will
Get a gift.
and we will get a gift.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. This is a game related to geography. The topic of this game is types of economies and countries. Good morning, sir. My game is based on historical forts and monuments. In this game, you have to place forts and monuments with their names and states in 2 minutes. Good morning, sir. Our game is related to historical monuments. In this game, you will get some cards of their names. Here we have stickers park over there. And in Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, the golden langoors and rhodo turtles both are very famous and are conserved over there. And as you go towards West Bengal, there is Sundarbans. Actually, Sundarban is a delta also and a national park. And Sundarban delta is formed by two major rivers, namely River Ganga and River Brahmaputra. They both collides over there and meets in Bay of Bengal and forms a very good, beautiful and large huge delta over there. And in Sundarban's National Park, we have found white tigers over there. And in Odisha, rhodo turtles are very famous. In Karnataka, black panthers are very famous. And in Maharashtra, monkeys, tigers and lions are famous. And over Gujarat, lions are very famous. And towards Rajasthan, there is Florida National Park. There is, as it is a bird sanctuary, so this is a hermit bird which is famous over there. And the birds which we have not seen yet are preserved over there.
Good morning, sir. This is softball game model. It is played by the one who is bowling is known as pitcher, and the one who is catching is known as catcher. If the hitter hits the ball and the one who is collecting the ball will throw the ball towards the first base. The hitter will run towards the first base if the ball immediately gives to the first base and the hitter did not arrive yet. So he will be considered as out, and if he reaches, it is considered as he is safe. Same at the first, second, third, and this is known as home plate. When he will safely done by the 3 all and this 4, it is considered as one run. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is a 400-meter standard track.
In this, there are 3 events: running event, throwing event, and jump. In this, there are 3 events: running event, throwing event, and jumping event. In running event, they have to run 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, 800 meter, 1200 meter, and 3000 meter. And in throwing event, they have to throw balls and mount just like shot put event, javelin throw, discus throw, and hammer throw. And in jumping event, they have to jump long jump, high jump, short jump, and triple jump. They have to run 100 meter for 200 meter, 200 meter for 300, and 300 for 400. And in the 800 meter, they have to run 2 rounds. And there are 8 lanes for running the players. And there is two types of track. That is, first is one track and second is single track. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. We are doing the explosion box of the Navy girls called Tarini. These are the girls of blue. here in 10 seconds. This is Keshaha, it means head. Then it is Karnaha, it means ear. This is Kantha, it means throat. This is Udaram, it means stomach. And Ushto means lips. Thank you.
तू बोल संशुवल जी वाला मैं बोलता है तो कमेंट क्लियर रखते ये कोई भी
शहर है, देहात जो है वो शहर को पत्र लिखता है, ये कहते हुए कि उसकी जो है जनसंख्या दिन पे दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, लोगों के पास काम करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है और लोग खेती नहीं करना चाहते हैं, वो अपनी खुशहाली वापस पाना चाहता है तो वो शहर से उपाय मांगता है। शहर जो वापस देहात को पत्र लिखता है, तो शहर कहता है कि देहात को चिंता लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, शहर खुद भी इन बड़ी बड़ी इमारतों के जाल में फंस चुका है, दिन पे दिन प्रदूषण बढ़ता जा रहा है। तो शहर एक मुहावरा लिख के भेजता है कि धीरे धीरे रे मना धीरे सब कुछ होए, माली सींचे 100 घड़ा ऋतु आए फल होए। जब तुम्हारी ऋतु आएगी तो तुम्हें वापस सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। ये एक गेम है वो आपको एक फल चूज करना है और आपको ये एक फल निकालने की कोशिश करनी है। अगर आपको वो 3 बार में वो फल को निकल जाता है तो वो आपको 2 सवाल के जवाब देने के लिए 5 सेकंड में
My name is Prasananji. I'm from class 6. My name is Hasika. You have to choose one and then
गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम पूनम है और ये मेरा गेम ये खेल है। पहले आपको एक चिट्ठी उठानी पड़ेगी और वो चिट्ठी में आपको जो भी नाम आएगा वो नाम आपको यहाँ सर्च करना है 10 सेकेंड। थैंक यू।
आप पकड़ के रखो, आप एक्सप्लेन करो। पकड़ के
सर एक रॉकेट है जिसे श्री अब्दुल कलाम जी ने बनाया था, जिसे 500 से अधिक वैज्ञानिकों ने मदद की थी। यह रॉकेट सबसे पहले 25 फरवरी 1988 को उड़ाया गया, लेकिन कुछ कारणवश यह नहीं उड़ पाया। फिर यह रॉकेट 20 अप्रैल 1989 को उड़ाया गया, लेकिन कंप्यूटर ने संकेत दिया कि कुछ उपकरणों में से कोई एक उपकरण ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है, जिस वजह से उस दिन भी नहीं उड़ पाया। फिर श्री अब्दुल कलाम अपने वैज्ञानिकों से मिलने गए जो सदमे और शौक की हालत में थे। अब्दुल कलाम जी ने उन्हें समझाया और उन्होंने फिर एक बार 1 मई 1989 को रॉकेट उड़ाने का निश्चय किया, लेकिन 10 सेकंड के होल्ड पर एक संकेत दिखाई पड़ा, जिस वजह से वो उस दिन भी नहीं उड़ पाया। फिर यह रॉकेट 22 मई 1989 को उड़ाया गया, जिस दिन पूर्णिमा की रात थी, जिस वजह से वैज्ञानिकों ने अपने रॉकेट उड़ाने का मिशन कंप्लीट किया और सब वैज्ञानिक बहुत खुश हुए और उन्होंने जो सदमे और शौक की हालत में जो थे वो उससे बाहर निकल गए। थैंक यू। सोचा। कुछ बच्चे बोले कि हम पुल बना लेंगे, लेकिन कुछ बच्चे इसके लिए राजी नहीं हो रहे थे और उनने अपनी मेहनत और लगन से केवल 15 दिनों में पुल बनाकर तैयार कर दिया। इसलिए कहते हैं जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है। धन्यवाद।
My name is Riyaz Riaz and I am from class 5th. This topic is based on artist book. This is सड़क। ये सड़क है। सड़क हमेशा हमें राह दिखाना चाहती है। सड़क कहती है कि मैं गाँव-गाँव को जोड़ती हूँ और आप लोग हम मुझे गंदा कर देते हैं। इसलिए मुझे स्वच्छ और साफ सुथरा रखना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
My name is Ramati Shivankar.
जोर से बोलो बेटा हिंदी में।
This is based on a chapter when or morning sir, good afternoon. My name is Manika Heragade. I am from class 6C. ये एक मेला है। इस मेले का नाम है नागपुर का मेला। इस नागपुर के मेले में एक भील वाला है, एक बेकरी है और एक ज्वेलरी की शॉप है और ये सब्जी वाला है जिसमें लोग खरीदारी कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे बहुत से लोग घूमने आए हैं और ये आकाश झूला है तो इसमें बच्चे बैठकर वो अपनी यहाँ पे आके एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
पलटा।
अर्वाचीन होते तसे इथे लावायचे. धन्यवाद.
शब्दांची खेळ होता. या खेळात काही कार्ड दिलेले आहेत. त्या कार्डवर काही शब्द दिलेले आहेत. त्या शब्दात तुम्हाला एका प्राणीचे, शहरांचे, नदीचे, फुलांचे व फळांचे नाव सांगायचे. जसे क वरून प्राणी कासव, शहर कानपूर, नदी कावेरी, कमळ व फळ केळी. या खेळामध्ये सगळ्यात पहिले तुम्हाला एक चिठ्ठी काढावी लागेल. त्या चिठ्ठीमध्ये जोही नंबर येईल त्या नंबरच्या समोरील चित्रण करून तुम्हाला भारतातील शहरांची नावं ओळखायची आहेत. जसे राजा आणि कोट मिळून होतं राजकोट. धन्यवाद.
you demonstrate good? See, when they come to you, you have to explain what you're explaining. Sanjita, you explain your calculator. Bring it up.
This is a calculator. The calculator is made from solve sums and calculate anything. We can solve sums on it within a second. For example, I want to do 94 plus 34. So my answer is 128. Like that, we can solve or calculate anything on calculator more easily, quickly and faster.
Good morning everyone. Type of monitor. Monitor is used to see the picture and show the picture. Keyboard. Keyboard has 130 key. Mouse. Mouse control a cursor and draw and printing. CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. And a tablet, laptop, and storage device of a computer. RAM. RAM read and write memory. ROM is only reads memory. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. Computer devices. Input device. Keyboard. Keyboard have 130 key. And mouse. Mouse has control a cursor and used to draw. Scanner. Scanner is scan images. Microphone. Microphone is records a voice. Joystick. Joystick is play game and video. Lightpad. Lightpad is draw images on the screen. Output devices. Monitor. Monitor is see all the programs in the screen. Printer. Printer is copy all the picture. Ruxer printer, inkjet printer, dot master printer. Speaker. Speaker is listen music. Sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Thank you. This is an experiment. We take a saucer, have water in the saucer. Then we take black pepper, a drop of liquid in your finger. Then we put dip the same finger in the water. The pepper will come. Thank you. There are three seasons: winter season, rainy season, and summer season. Thank you. This answer is this. This answer is this. And this of this and this of this. Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon. At the bottom of the ocean, we can see different types of fishes and shells. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. This is a frog life cycle. The first stage is heads. Second stage is tadpole. Third stage is tadpole with legs. Fourth stage is tadpole with tail. Fifth stage is tadpole without tail. And sixth stage is as a frog. Thank you. Good morning. Good afternoon. A mouse in the house. Cut out a rectangle from the cardboard sheet. Make holes on each of its longer sides, exactly opposite to each other. Now draw a picture of a mouse on one side of the cardboard rectangle. Turn over the cardboard rectangle. Now draw a picture of a house near the middle of the blank side. The picture of a house should be larger than the picture of a mouse. Now take two pieces of strings. Thread a string through each hole. Tie knots in each string to make a loop. Hold the string loop between thumb and forefingers. Twist the threads several times. Then pull the loops out a little. The cardboard will start twirling. What do you see? You will see that the mouse has entered the house. Thank you. Good afternoon. This is the model of garden. There was children enjoy and
Play in the garden.
play in the garden. Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm going to tell you about singular and plural. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Example: box, box, ribbon, ribbon, cake, cake, leaf, leaf, mango, mango, pen, pen, bus, buses. Thank you. So good afternoon. This is the model of forest. Some animals live in water. Some animals dance in lake. Thank you. Good afternoon. We have the model of dead purple. Two candies and we
The aim of the experiment is air pressure. When we blow air into the water, the pressure is created. Due to that pressure, the straw come up and bounce. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. The aim of the experiment is children should avoid gems. Gems and gems have many colors. When we pour water on gems, it is what color out. See, this color is coming out. So we shouldn't eat gems. If you eat gems, then what will happen? Thank you. Good afternoon. Aim of the experiment to see if Rangoli dissolves in water. We took half a glass of water. We added a pinch of Rangoli to eat. We stirred it with a spoon. What did we see? The particles of Rangoli were seen in the water as before. What does this mean? This means that Rangoli does not dissolve in water, as it is insoluble subtraction. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon. The model of water cycle. This is a sun and this is the water. Sun heat of the water. If gas will open up
चालू है. Let's take the coconut water